What's up, everyone? Hope you're doing great today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step process to transform your desktop into something that looks insanely clean and modern. We're getting rid of that boring default look and replacing it with a smooth glass-style setup. We'll customize the notification panel, upgrade the start menu, and polish everything to make it feel premium. Don't worry at all. I've provided a Google Drive link in the description that contains everything in one single file. All right, let's jump in. Step 1. Installing the main tool. First, head over to the website and download Windhawk. Once the download is complete, install it and launch the app. After opening Windhawk, you're officially ready to start customizing your desktop. All the tools, mods, and files used in this video are already linked in the description, so make sure to grab them. Step 2. Taskbar customization. Now that Windhawk is open, we'll start with the taskbar. Search for a mod called Taskbar Styler and click Install. Once the installation is finished, open the mod settings. Go to the Theme section and select Simply Transparent. You'll instantly notice the difference. The taskbar looks cleaner, smoother, and blends perfectly with the background. This small change already removes that basic Windows look. Step 3. Start Menu Glass Effect. Next up, let's improve the Start menu. Install Start Menu Styler from Windhawk. After installing it, open the settings and go to the Theme options. Select Windows Glass. Right away, the Start menu gets a clean glass effect with a modern and minimal design. It feels smoother to use and looks way better than the default style. Step 4. Notification Center Style. Now let's match the notification panel with the rest of the setup. Install Notification Center Styler and apply the settings. This gives the notification panel a clean glass-style look, making everything feel consistent. At this point, the desktop already looks really good. But we're not done yet. Step 5. Animated Wallpaper. Now let's bring the desktop to life. Open the Microsoft Store and install Lively Wallpaper. Once installed, download the live wallpaper linked in the description and load it into the app. As soon as you apply it, you'll see an instant upgrade. The desktop feels more alive, more modern, and way more premium than a static wallpaper. And real quick, if you're enjoying this setup so far, don't forget to hit that like button. Step 6. Rounded Taskbar Corners. Next, we'll clean up the taskbar even more. Download and install Rounded TB. Once installed, right-click the app from the system tray and enable it. Click Show Rounded TB, then follow the same settings I'm using. After applying everything, check the bottom right side of the taskbar. The corners now look smooth, clean, and perfectly polished. Step 7. Download and install Nexus dock from the link provided. After installing it, you'll see the dock appear at the top of your screen. You can easily move it to the right side. Inside the settings, adjust the theme, size, and layout to keep it minimal. Remove any apps you don't use and keep only the ones you actually need. To remove an app, just right-click and delete it. To add one, simply drag and drop it into the dock. Step 8. Widgets and Music Player. Next, install Rainmeter. When you open it, you'll see some default widgets on the screen. Simply right-click on them and unload the skin. Now install the custom file. Extract the second file and place it in the correct folder so Rainmeter can recognize it. Open the time and date folder inside the AIO package and double-click the file to activate it. After that, open JaxCore, install the modular player, and select your music player from the general settings. You can resize it and customize the look exactly how you want. Now let's add the widgets you're seeing on the left side of my desktop. This part is very simple, so don't worry. I've already provided the Monterey files for you in the Files section. All you need to do is download them. After opening Rainmeter, go to the Monterey settings, and from there, just open or load the Monterey skin. Final result. And that's it. Your clean, modern, minimal desktop setup is complete. If you made it this far, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps a lot. And don't forget to subscribe, because you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next.